Hi, I'm Mark Shipley, Community Development Director for the town of Farragut. On November 20th, we'll have a community workshop at 6 p.m. at the community center dealing with the mixed-use town center and some changes that have occurred in that portion of our town over the past mostly 10 years. The town is a young town. We were founded in 1980 without the benefit of a traditional downtown. The town's first comprehensive land use plan was created in 2010 in terms of the first plan that mapped actually future land use. And that was the mapped vision of land uses desired in different parts of Farragut. So one of the things that the community has always wanted to have for our community is a downtown, a place that they could identify as a central core, a gathering space for the community. We made some changes to our ordinances about 10 years ago to try to help foster the development of a town center type of plan of development in different portions of this part of our community. The mixed-use town center district on the future land use map includes the area around West End Avenue, the Brooklawn Street, Biddle Farms area, undeveloped property west of Farragut High School, the Village Green Shopping Center area, and the area around Municipal Center Drive, including the Eddie Ford property. And right now I'm at the Biddle Farms at Farragut Town Center development. It's one of the newer developments that we've had over the past 10 years. This used to be the location of an old Kroger development and some other shops. And this is just one of several different parts of our town center that we'll be talking about at the workshop next Wednesday, and showing you what we had 10 years ago in these different places and what we have now, and how much progress the community has made toward bringing about a downtown, which is one of the strategies that's in our current comprehensive land use plan that we have been working toward. Hope you can attend the workshop and learn about what has been happening in our mixed-use town center, particularly over the past 10 years. Thank you.